In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're trying to capture an important message from a chat, a snapshot of a shared presentation, or a critical moment from a meeting, taking a screenshot is a useful skill that can help preserve important information or keep your records up to date. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily take screenshots in Microsoft Teams. To start, make sure you have Microsoft Teams open on your device. If you're using a Windows computer, you have a couple of built-in options to capture the screen. One of the quickest ways to take a screenshot is by using the snipping tool or the Snip Sketch application, both of which are pre-installed on most Windows devices. To use these, open the application from the Start menu. Once you have it open, click on New in the Snipping tool or the New Snip button in Snip Sketch. Your screen will dim, indicating that it is ready to capture. You can now click and drag your mouse to select the area you wish to screenshot. After you've highlighted your desired area, release the mouse button, and the program will immediately capture the image. You can save this screenshot to your preferred location, making it easy to access or share later. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, that's another efficient method. You can press the Print Screen or Print Screen key on your keyboard if you simply want to capture the entire screen and copy it to your clipboard. You can paste it directly into a program such as Paint, Word, or an email. For a more refined capture, press Alt Print Screen to copy only the active window to your clipboard. If you have Windows 10 or later, you can also try pressing Windows key Shift-S, which will open the Snip Sketch tool immediately, allowing you to drag and select your desired capture area instantly. For Mac users, don't worry, capturing screenshots in Teams is just as straightforward. Press Command-Shift-4 to bring up a crosshair cursor that lets you click and drag to select your screenshot area. Release the mouse button to capture the screenshot, and the image will automatically save to your desktop. If you wish to capture the entire screen, press Command-Shift-3 instead. And if you prefer capturing only a specific window, use Command-Shift-4 and then press the spacebar. This will change your cursor to a camera icon, allowing you to select which window to capture. Now you know how to easily take screenshots on Microsoft Teams, preserving any important information to refer to later. Feel free to practice these methods and use whichever you find most convenient for your workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.